Hari ni dah 3 bulan saya buat treatment hair transplant. Kalau kita tengok dari mula saya buat dah macam umur 50 tahun. Tapi hari ni selepas 3 bulan nampak muda, 20 tahun jadi 30 tahun. So saya nak ucapkan terima kasih kepada Dr. Indah sebab dah banyak bantu masalah rambut saya. Terbaik. Sangat happy.
Sangat happy. Not very, sangat happy. Okay. Very good. Rambut dia memang cantik, natural. And then guess what? It's only 3 months. More results to come. So you're very, very excited. Another 3 months, I think, I don't know lah. Kalau nak buat anything new pun boleh start your new life because it's like a new beginning for you. Okay? Alright. So that's nice. So look at it, the way the hair is grown. And let's just see the donor. This is a second hair transplant with him with very good results. Very happy and very positive with the hair transplant results. However, the first hair transplant he did in a different clinic, so he was not so happy with the results, and therefore he came to us and we did for him, and now he's extremely happy. And once again, he believes in hair transplant results. Yeah. So thumbs up.